Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone unique with custom contact posters. Let's get into it. Introduced in iOS 17, a contact poster is a full-screen, customizable design that appears on your friends and family's iPhones when you call them. It shows up in Messages, FaceTime, AirDrop, and Name Drop. First, open up the Contacts app. At the very top, tap My Card, then choose Edit, and then Edit again, and then you have the option between avatar and poster. So let's take a look at the avatar real fast. Here you can customize some of the preset options. Your iPhone will automatically detect photos in your photo library. You can also go through, take a selfie, choose camera to take a picture immediately, or use photo library if you have something stored. The next option is Memoji. You can use your own Memoji or any of Apple's characters. You can design different animals, animate them, and use that as a profile picture. The next is Monogram, which is just your initials for a clean, minimalistic look. You can change the colors to suit your personal style. And then the last option are just emojis that are like smiley faces with different colors. Once again, you can customize that. As you can see, these are all just small photos for your personal avatar, but if you want a large full-screen poster, slide right, and let's choose the Customize option for posters. Here is where the fun begins. You have four main options. You can use the camera to take a fresh selfie. You can choose the photo option to pick any of the pictures from your library. Pro tip, choose portraits with good lighting and clear face for the best results. Now let's say we pick this photo. You can pinch and drag to crop and position your face perfectly. Swipe left and right to try different filters. There's beautiful color washes, duotone, black and white, and more. You can also tap the text at the top to change your name, font, the size, the weight, and the color of the lettering. If you want to make yours stand out, take your photos in a natural light or use portrait mode for a clean subject cutout effect. Match your poster to your wallpaper or aesthetic. Use pastel tones, dark mode, vibrant colors. You can also create multiple versions. Create one for work, one for your friends, and then one for a silly Memoji for your family. Try experimenting with bold, elegant, or handwritten font styles. For an advanced trick, edit the photo in the photo apps first before assigning it as your poster. Once you're happy with your selections, tap Done in the top right, and then Done again to save. Nice, looking good. Your contact poster updates automatically for people who have your contacts saved. No need to resend anything. Here's a bonus tip. You can now set posters for all your other contacts. If you want to make your entire address book beautiful, open any contact, tap Edit Photo or Contact Photo, and then Poster. You can choose to customize a look just for them. So there you have it. Check out this other video over here. I've got some Amazon links to save on electronics down in the description. Use those links, help support. I really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.